What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a convenience good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Comfafy Rustic Jewelry Organizer, the wall-mounted jewelry holder with removable bracelet rod, shelf, and 16 hooks I picked up on Amazon Prime for about $24.99. It comes in 3 different colors. It comes in pink, rustic blue, torched brown, and it gets 4.5 out of 5 stars out of 940 customer reviews. And today we're going to be doing an unboxing and a first impressions of it. We're not going to be mounting it to the wall right away. We're just going to be doing an unboxing and a first impressions and taking a look at it. Right off the bat, this thing is about 1.5 pounds, so it's really lightweight. We'll go ahead and just tear into the box back here. And make sure this tape is cut. And now we can pull out our shelf. Let's see what color we got it in. I did not order this item, so we'll have to see what color it comes in. And this one looks blue, which is really interesting. So what's really nice is you do get a really nice welcome card from Comfafy here. A little something for you, which is really nice. And what comes in this envelope are some coupons if you want to make additional purchases with Comfafy. This is basically saying that if we received a damaged or defective item, that we can go ahead and send it back, which I have no problem doing. At any rate, what else you get in the box are a couple of screws. It looks like you get an anchor. You get 2 anchors and 2 long screws inside the box there so that you can mount it to the wall. What you'll want to do is you'll want to take this screw and drive it into the wall, and then as you can see, it's got a little grappling hook there on the side so that it can stay placed inside the wall. So without further ado, let's go ahead and look at the jewelry holder itself. It looks like it comes in a few different pieces here. Just go ahead and get rid of this wrapping paper there. So far, what I really like about this jewelry holder is the fact that it just comes with a few pieces. So this is supposed to be the removable necklace holder. So really you're supposed to take this off, I think, and maybe dangle some necklaces around it like that. And at the bottom, as you can see, it does have 16 hooks for rings or necklaces or bracelets or what have you. Whatever you think you can hang there, you can hang there. I know that this is a jewelry holder, but you could actually even just hang this up like outside your kitchen or maybe even by your front door and like hang some car keys off of it. Little items on it. It's got a little shelf here, so if you want to... when I did work at a certain store a few years ago, back when I was in college, we would get items like this in the mail, and I would have to assemble them, and they had weird funky smells to them, and they just weren't that great of quality. But this actually doesn't have any weird or funky smell. No paint is rubbing off or anything like that. This is a nice little wall-mounted jewelry rack. Very nicely put together here with this wire cage. It's not bent or discombobulated in any way. And as you can see, it's just got some simple staples around the edge there to hold in the frame, and that's okay. Everything looks great there. Also, if you notice on the back here, it does have hooks so that you can hang it up. If you can hang a picture, you can hang this wall-mounted jewelry rack. It should take you no more than 5 minutes to set it up, and most of the time you're going to be using to set it up, you're going to be going to get your tools and to put your tools back. Really like that you don't have to put anything together with this particular item. It's ready to go right out of the box. You can use it as advertised. It is a jewelry holder. It's got the 16 hooks on the bottom there, which I really like. It's got this really nice little shelf. And last but not least, I don't know, maybe if you could even find like some little hooks or something to attach to this cage here, that would be really neat. And then you could hang things off of it. I don't know, maybe you'll have to visit your local Michaels or arts and crafts store and see what you can do. Maybe even your local Home Depot might have something like that, like a nice hook that you could attach to this mesh cage here. Really like everything so far. Everything looks great. This Comfy 16 hook wall mounted jewelry rack is a convenience good because we ordered it off of Amazon Prime. It was $24.99. It comes in 3 different colors. This beautiful rustic blue, rustic pink, and a rustic brown color. My name is John. Please like, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. I know I have a large female audience. I do mostly men things on this channel, like men's items, but 11.3% of you are female who are watching this, and that to me is tremendous. That's astonishing. That being said, my name is John. Let me know in the comment section below if you are a female viewer and want to see more items for you. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and first impressions. This looks like a great item, actually. I am super happy it arrived on my doorstep this morning. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video.